Okay, so if you want to install the situation update forwarder for use with Omnibus 8.1, the first thing you're going to have to do is download the ITM monitoring tools. Okay, so the latest one is 6.3 Fixpack 5. I'll post the link at the end of this video. If there are future releases after that, I'll update the links. Okay, but first of all we're going to download this file over here. Once that's been downloaded, we untar the file. And navigate into the directory. Okay, so once you're in the tech directory, you're on tab file. Run the installer. Click Next. Set all the defaults. You need to keep the IP address of your ITM server handy. Click Next to all this. Right, so now we need to input the host name, user ID and password of our ITM server. Okay, so we'll enter mine in here. Confirm it. Click Next. It's going to install in the following directory. Okay, and once that's complete, you can just quickly verify that that directory has been created. Okay, so successfully installed. So once you've installed the situation update forwarder, what you need to do is update the object server schemas with some of the SQL files that come supplied with the situation update forwarder. So if you navigate into your install, so if you go into the Omnibus directory within the situation update forwarder, there are a number of SQL files which we need to run into our object server using NCOSQL. So I have an object server already up and running. The name of my object server is called ITM OBJ. So what I want to do is I want to update some of the procedures, databases, and schemas with some of these files. So let's do that. Password's blank. Update the procedure, run the DB up. You can ignore those messages. Okay, Okay, so now we have executed the SQL scripts that come with a situation update forwarder onto our Omnibus object server. We can check our ITM object server to confirm that those updates have been made. So if we go in and we navigate first of all to procedures, you will see an event command procedure has been added, and we need to change the host. So this host will be the IP address or the host of your ITM server. So let's put that in. You could have edited this in the script itself, but you can also do it in the NCO config once it's been done. Okay. Note this is an external procedure, which means that this object server has to be running under PA in order for this external procedure to be actually action required. Okay, so you need to run this object server under PA. Right, let's have a look at some of the other things. We can see a send to ITM procedure has also been installed. Right, so you can go through your NCO config and check things in here as well to see everything's been updated correctly. Okay, there are some other netcall related tasks that you need to cover. So you need to copy the ITM event rules file from the situation update forwarder install directory and make sure you use them with your Tivoli EIF probe to facilitate this integration. Another thing you want to make sure is your object server is running under PA with your probe under PA as well. Once you've done all that, then you can start your situation update forwarder. Thank you very much for watching.